Principle 2 is to provide the best answer. So while you're answering their question and providing this additional information, you also have to think about the competition, right? What did everybody else do to get ranked for this keyword? What were they sharing? What information did they have? And the best way to do this is to simply go back and look at the competition. So we'll plug in 5-day water fast results, and we'll see what comes up. And I'm just going to pick some of the first three. So 5-day water fast results, 5-day water fast results, 5-day water fasting experience. And let's go see what they do. Now we're looking for two things here. We're looking for one, what they did do well, and two, what they didn't do well. And as you're doing this, I would recommend taking notes somewhere, saying, okay, I liked this stuff that they did, but I noticed these opportunities to improve on everything that they mentioned. So we can walk through here, and we can say fasting for reasons beyond cancer, all right, not what we're concerned about as much. Reasons to do a 5-day water fast. Okay, we've got some like reduced cancer. They're citing a lot of sources. 5-day water fast results. Okay, cool. So they actually have a heading just for 5-day water fast results. That's really, really important for ranking on this keyword. Big metabolic changes kick starting on day 3. Now, here's where I'm seeing the first maybe problem with how they did this. This is really deep science. They have a lot of detail on biochemistry literature and millimolars per liter of ketones. Right? Most people have no idea what that is. So if you're a layperson considering water fasting, you might get turned off by this really deep science side of it. And you'll notice I actually didn't do that in my article. I just focused on the high-level, non-deep chemistry aspects of it because it was less interesting to me to talk about that really intense science stuff, and I figured most readers wouldn't be as into it. So that might be one thing to improve on. We can keep scrolling through here. We can see their metabolism, weight loss. So this is a good question. Was weight loss permanent or just momentary? That might be something that we want to include. Muscle calm, mental performance. Okay, so they covered a lot of aspects of the results, and we can see some of their experience too. Let's see the next result. So I don't know, are these before and after pictures, or are they just pictures of them? It would be good to clarify this if you're going to include pictures. Talk about the reasons. Okay, and then they go day by day. Okay, this is interesting. This person logged their weight on every day of the fast. So that could be something that we want to do too. If we're making this article and it seems like having a weight log for each day, that could be useful information since some people are doing this to lose weight. So we could log weight each day, how we slept, how we felt. This is cool. This is good information. So this gives us some ideas. Pictures of the refeeding. This is something that I did. The one thing I don't like about this is that it feels very list-based and there's not enough of a story going with it. I really like having a story with articles like this, and I think they didn't do a great job. So I would say keep some of their data like weight and feeling and how they felt, but add in a bit more of a story to it so there's a narrative to follow along with. And then let's look at the third one. Okay, so we've got a bit more of a story at the beginning here, which is good. We like stories. Stories are good. But there's a lot of problems here. Look, there's almost no headings. We have no idea where anything is. We can't skim this article at all. So while there's a bit of a story, it's honestly, most people aren't going to take the time to read the entire thing through just to find the piece of information they're looking for. So they have not done a good job of making SEO-friendly content. Somebody would show up on here and they would go, okay, it's too much to read, I'm gonna go somewhere else. And then they go to one that is nicely chunked up and does have good headers. So the process is as simple as that. Go through some of the existing top ranking articles on Google, figure out what you like about what they did, what you don't like about what you did, make notes on that, and then work it into your article so that you can create the best answer for this topic.